I'm sure you've probably heard of CoinBase if you're on the journey to start trading cryptocurrencies. It does not matter if you are a seasoned crypto trader or a total novice. This video will guide you through all the necessary things you need to know about trading cryptocurrencies and making money on CoinBase. CoinBase is a platform to purchase, trade, and keep virtual cryptocurrencies like Bitcoins and Ethereum. It is one of the major cryptocurrency exchange platforms in the United States. Since Bitcoin has become more and more prevalent, there are indeed a variety of options for buying and selling cryptocurrencies on your own, including Venmo, CashApp, and financial apps like Robinhood. CoinBase, on the other hand, is a preferred choice with over 70 million confirmed users. A lot of people interpreted CoinBase's public launch in April 2021 as a sign of conviction for cryptocurrencies in general. To begin with, what exactly is CoinBase? CoinBase is a crypto exchange platform that enables users to purchase, trade, and hold over 30 various digital currencies. The regular CoinBase is oriented to novices, while CoinBase Pro, with a premium membership, is for skilled traders who deal in extensive volumes and require extra trading options. Investing using network apps like Robinhood has been growing more popular in current years. In the last 4 months of 2021, the platform's overall revenue was estimated to be about $1.3 billion. CoinBase is very easy to use. Customers can check their balances as well as a watch list, a feature you can also find on many other trading platforms, and this permits them to track the values of different virtual currencies. Customers can also be up to date on which coins are making the most significant moves. CoinBase is also launching CoinBase Card, a Visa debit card that allows customers to qualify for rewards for spending their portfolio's assets. CoinBase unveiled its latest wire transfer service in September that allows customers to have their salaries immediately transferred into CoinBase and also have their money immediately paid as Bitcoin or some other coin. Moving on from that, how to create a CoinBase profile. It's simple to sign up with CoinBase. To get started, you'll be required to take the following procedure. The first thing you'll be required to do is to install the CoinBase app. The next thing is to sign up for a user account, then validate your identity. You'll be asked to provide a means of identification like a valid ID card. To transfer funds to your CoinBase wallet, you'll be asked to link your bank account. Once you get all of that done, you're ready to purchase your first coin on CoinBase. The link between your CoinBase profile and your standard banking information is something you could be curious about. You'll need to transfer cash or fiat money from your bank account to complete your first coin payment. You may either keep changing cash into crypto or use one of your coins to purchase other crypto coins after you have made your initial transaction. You will also need the same or another bank account to transfer funds from if you want to cash out your crypto proceeds. You can get the CoinBase debit card to make spending smoother, but I highly recommend that you review the terms and conditions before signing up for the card. CoinBase charges a 2.4% price for transactions done using cryptocurrency. There is a conviction that decentralized finance is a viable option for the banking industry. Although this is true to a certain degree, to gain first access to the crypto space, users are required to use conventional banking systems. With that being said, let's move on to the main thing: how to earn money on CoinBase. CoinBase is a firm that assesses its performance in terms of fresh users. Fortunately for you, this means you'll be rewarded if you can get your friends and relatives to sign up on CoinBase as well. Taking advantage of reward systems can be a simple and painless way to get your feet wet in the cryptocurrency space without the risk of losing too much money. Receiving free Bitcoins for creating an account. CoinBase will reward you with $5 in Bitcoins simply for creating an account with them. Right now, that is approximately 0.000026 Bitcoins, which might seem a bit little to you. Refer a new user to CoinBase and receive free coins. After you've created your CoinBase account, you may start asking your friends and family to join. You will earn $10 on every new user that creates an account using your referral link. Learning challenges for free. All new blockchain startup like CoinBase is attempting to attract new users. Some cryptocurrencies, such as smaller coins based on the Ethereum network, provide coin-based learning tasks that let you receive free cryptocurrency. You may then exchange these smaller coins for other currencies, even though you can only cash between $1 and $5. You can quickly swap those freebies for many other coins and multiply your income if you keep an eye on the altcoin marketplace. Money-making ideas on CoinBase. Free prizes are fantastic, but they aren't going to be making a huge amount of money. Let's review some tactics you can employ if you want to partake in the crypto frenzy. Coinbase may be used to purchase and sell crypto for profit, in the same way you purchase stocks on trading platforms like Robinhood. The first idea is to purchase and hold cryptocurrencies. By purchasing and holding cryptocurrency, you may take the long view. This is a fantastic idea if you can buy these coins early enough and believe particular currencies will rise significantly with time. With the introduction of non-fungible tokens and smart contracts, it will only be a question of time until additional real-world entities begin to use these blockchains. You will need a strong understanding of diplomatic disturbances for this method, or at the very least, check the news on a daily basis. After China imposed restrictions on Bitcoin, its value plummeted by half. Central banks throughout the world will start to crack down as more and more ordinary people continue to abandon banking systems in favor of decentralized money. This is unlikely to abolish cryptocurrency, but this may lead to massive fluctuations that you may find very uncomfortable. The next idea is day trading. Exchanging one coin for another regularly is similar to investing in equity markets. The cryptocurrency marketplace is unregulated, compared to the stock market, which controls its day traders. This increases your chances of making a rapid profit, but it is also riskier and might result in a large tax burden. Investing in cryptocurrency daily is similar to gambling. If you comprehend the concepts of blockchain, decentralized finance, and smart contracts, you will be able to make an informed estimate, but no matter what, it is still gambling and very risky. You need to conduct very thorough and in-depth research if you decide to follow this method. Learn the basics and participate in the discussions around the various cryptocurrencies to widen your scope on these coins. The next idea is to earn interest by staking your coins. Coinbase is also used to hold cryptocurrency and earn a return at rates that are significantly higher than those offered by traditional savings accounts. Staking works in the same manner as a certificate of deposit at a bank does. You get to stake your coins on the network for a length of time in return for a reward. Though generating interest on your coins is a convenient method to gain additional income from your holdings, you lose the ability to trade your holdings if the value of a cryptocurrency drops. This is important to take into consideration with cryptocurrency, since it is far more erratic than simply putting your money in the bank. Only currencies with a proof of stake mechanism are eligible to be staked. The energy required to run this protocol is much lower compared to the conventional proof of work methodology. With a single tweet regarding Bitcoin's ecological impact, Elon Musk crashed the cryptocurrency market. There are more reasons why proof of stake cryptocurrencies are important to keep an eye on, and why staking might be a wonderful method to earn virtual additional income. Cardano is one of the strongest proof of stake currencies on the network, and some analysts agree it may eventually overtake Ethereum. Algorand is another important example of a proof-of-stake currency. Using your Coinbase account to buy and sell cryptocurrency isn't the only method to generate money. Internet 3.0 has arrived, bringing with it fresh possibilities to invest your cryptocurrency income in investments that might boost your entire income. The next idea is to trade NFTs. NFTs are culture's virtual extensions. The very same folks who are losing money on StockX are progressively making their way into the NFT realm. You can trade NFTs with cryptocurrency in the same manner that you normally buy and sell shoes or football cards with cash. When relating to cultural assets, you must do your homework and recognize what you are to have on the lookout. OpenSea.io is a great place to start learning about the NFT marketplace. You can look out for underestimated items and start collecting them. Leasing your virtual investments. Consider it this way. Decentralized finance is very similar to banking. The same folks who worked out how to give loans to borrowers at the wheel of the 20th century are already using the blockchain to achieve the same goal. You can lease your investments to interested users on CoinBase to make additional income. This idea to make money comes with a lot of risks, but if you research NFTs and truly get to know them, you might purchase, resell, and lease out your assets to garner up a fortune. The virtual currency world will always be around and is going nowhere. It allows regular people like us to dine with the adults. Coinbase is not the only option to acquire cryptocurrency, but it has been proven to be the most straightforward. You can use MetaMask to create another profile, but this presents a different set of hazards. You can lose your entire crypto earnings if you misplace your seed phrase. Coinbase is a terrific place to slowly gain entrance into the cryptocurrency space, and the network has tools to help you further understand decentralized finance. And on that note, we have come to the end of this video. Let us know in the comments section if you have earned money on Coinbase and your experiences with them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we post a new video.